Good morning, everyone. I am reporter Sarsis Nitan B. De Lorino for Chapter 6, Communication for Academic Purposes, Lesson 1, Avoiding Plagiarism, Quoting. What is quoting? Quotings involve using the exact words from a source and placing them to quotations mark. This method is appropriate when the original's wordings is particularly effective when the source is primary text, such as a book, articles, or a speech, or when the idea is best expressed in the original language. Ano nga ba ang quoting? Nagsasangkot ng paggamit ng eksaktong mga salita mula sa isang pinagmulan at paglalagay ng mga ito sa mga mark or panipi. Ang pamamaraang ito ay angkop kapag ang original or orihinal ng mga salita ay partikular na epektibo kapag ang pinagmulan ng isang pangunahing teksto tulad ng mga isang libro, artikulo at talumpati. Kapag ang ideya ay pinakamahusay na ipinahayag ng original or orihinal na wika. How to quote properly? Use quotation mark and close the quoted text in doubles quotations mark or a single quotation mark. Example, according to Smith, the case to success is hard work. Number 2, introduce the quotes, provides context before the quote to make it clear how it relates to make arguments. Example, many researchers emphasize the importance of hard work as Smith notes, to key to success is hard work. Cites to source always include citations to give credit to the original's author. The citations should include the author names, the years of publications, and the page number, if applicable. Example, Smith 2020 p15. Number 4, paraphrase. When appropriate, if the quote is too long or if you want to integrate the idea more smoothly into your writing, consider paraphrasing instead quoting directly. Types of quotes. Short quotes use quotations mark, where a short quotes usually fewer than 4 lines. Examples, the best way to predict the future is to create it. Long quotes for longer quotes. For more lines, use a block quotes and then the quote quotes and do not use the quotations mark. The best ways to predict the future is to create it. The idea's truth example has profound implications or how we approach planning and decision making. It suggests that rather than passively waiting for events to unfold, we should take an active role in shaping our destiny. That's all po. Thank you.